want to see some shit?
Yeah, we want to see some shit. Shit! It's gotta move!
Next
I don't think it's gonna hit you, bro. Hallelujah! Welcome to 4th of July. Oh shit! Oh shit! You dumbass! I like how you just toss it.
That's what you do with them. They're fun.
Yeah, let me see.
They're not gonna hurt you. Give me more firecrackers.
We need more firepower, Trevor. Say hi to the camera.
Trevor, come here.
Goodbye.
Trevor, need more fire.
Are you guys having fire rockets already? That can't be right. Trevor has.
He has them all in his pocket.
Give me all the. I need some, you little fucker.
What the?
Yeah.
Hey, get out the firecrackers. Give me one. Give me one. Give me one, Trevs.
No.
I haven't got the lid anything off. Thank you. Now hold this camera.
What?
Okay, well this is then this experiment. Trevor, give me. Here, let it out. Hold this camera. Let it up, bucko.